Hello there guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today for a highly requested video, which is basically, people ask me a lot what skincare routine I have or what makeup products I use, and so today I'm going to be showing you my beauty secrets. I don't really wear that much makeup on my face, but it's all... I actually wear quite a lot of products, but it's all very like minimal amounts, so it doesn't actually make a huge difference. Like, this is before and this is now. I'm going to show you what the process is to get from that to this. It's just like little things that I do to help me feel more confident in the day, and I hope that you find some tips and tricks in this as well. Obviously it's 2020. I think there's a huge, well, less nowadays, but about guys wearing makeup, but I think a lot of men now care about their appearance, or a lot of men now feel they can be open about caring about their appearance, but whatever sexual orientation, doesn't matter. You know, I think a few years ago I would have been bullied on YouTube for talking about makeup. Obviously there are guys that wear, you know, a lot of makeup and they look amazing, they look sickening, that's what their talent is, that's what they're amazing at. But then there's guys like me who wear a little bit of makeup on the day-to-day. I'm not amazing at makeup, I'm not like super fan, I just use it to give me more confidence in areas that I feel like I could do with more confidence in. So that is kind of what today's video is about. It's like the little things that I do to help myself feel more confident and better about my face. Oh, also, I filmed an eyebrow lamination. Well, I filmed me laminating my own eyebrows. So eyebrow lamination is a process of like relaxing the hairs on your eyebrow to make them fall like flatter and look more like bushy. So I've included that. I'm going to include that first before I go into what I put on my face. But if you want to skip that, I'll leave in the description when to skip to, because you might not care about eyebrow lamination. But you should, because it's good. Look. Ta-da! But yeah. So this is the kit that I found online that a lot of people were using. Even my friend Joanne recommended this one to me, I think. The first step, it says to use number 4 to remove oil, dust and any makeup residue. So I'm going to do that first. So I'm going to use the cleanser with this little cotton bud to get rid of anything that might still be left on my... This is my eyebrows before. But I do have really long eyebrows, but they're very like this way, whereas I want them to like fan out a bit more, so that's what we will be trying to achieve today. Okay, so now we're using the number 1, which is the actual perming solution itself, and it fucking stinks. Like, it smells so gross. So I'm just kind of aiming to put this on the hairs. Okay, now I'm gonna... I've used the plastic from the packaging, which you're probably not supposed to do, but I don't have any other kind of plastic to use. This is so low budget, I cannot. I don't really know what possessed me to film this. I was gonna just do it, and then I was like, maybe I should film this, because everyone always asks me about my eyebrows, but this is the first time that I'm doing this, so I can't be like, oh guys, this is what you should do, because I don't know how this is going to turn out, honestly. Okay, so I'm going to brush these up. If I have no eyebrows at the end of this, I am literally going to sue someone. I don't know who I will sue, but I will be suing someone. I didn't even used to really care about eyebrows. I actually remember going to Nature Republic when it opened in London. I actually went with James Welsh and with my friend Tom. We all went together, and one of the boys that was working at Nature Republic had the most incredible eyebrows, and they were laminated because they were like so big and like fanned out, and I was like, wow, his eyebrows are so nice. Oh, and my friend Tom then sent me, we were talking about it, and then he sent me a link to Brow Bar London, which is where I go and get my eyebrows done now, so thanks Tom. That's the shape I want them to be though, like, do you see? But then they trail off so much towards the end where they're not really tinted. Right, what time is it? So I think this side's been on for about 10 minutes, but I don't think this one has, so we'll do this one first. So you're supposed to take the plastic off, and then they give you this tool. They call it the Y tool, and you're supposed to take off whatever's on your eyebrow with this tool. Okay, so that is my eyebrow with the stuff just taken off. So I'm gonna do this side as well. So I guess the perm just like relaxes the hairs. Like they're just doing what the comb is telling it to do. I've got a bit of a cotton pad as well. I really hope Anka, who does my eyebrows, is not watching this because she'll get so mad. Next up is this fixation lotion. So I'm now like, if I like this, I should have done this at the start. Okay, so that's on that one. So I've already pre-cut some more plastic shrink wrap or whatever. Oh my God, is it even big enough? Yes. Okay, so I'm back, and these have been fixation gel, no, whatever, for like 10 minutes. So I'm going to take it off. And then it says to use the cleanser again over each eyebrow. Ta-da! Oh, they look good actually. They honestly look like furry caterpillars, and I'm quite happy about that. Yeah, they're really like flat and wet to my face at the moment. Maybe I just put too much oil on. You're not supposed to get them wet for 24 hours as well after you've had it done. Okay, so I've come into my room and I've just kind of brush them a little and use some clear brow gel on. The lamination is there, like you can tell that my eyebrows look so different. Like this is the after, but I think I need to like brush them down. They just seem very enraged. I think they need to calm. They do look cool though. Like I'm surprised that it works so well. So I'll leave the link to the kit that I purchased in the description box below if you want to try it. So as you can see straight out of the shower, I am very pale. I dried and straightened my hair, as you can see. My hair is really in between colours right now because of the pandemic, but that's fine. I haven't put any product in it yet though, so I'm just gonna leave that until, I usually do my hair at the end, so I'm just gonna do it at the end. Even though I have a 5 head at the moment, that's fine. So the first thing that I usually do, just to like make myself feel better, is brush my eyebrows up. See, the lamination has just made them like super brushable. You brush them and they stay where you put them, that's what I mean. But as you can see, I have like a blemish, or I did have a blemish there, and it's kind of like dying down now. But also I just get like red patches everywhere because I'm so pale. The first thing I'll do is shave. I just use a Braun electric shaver. I did a brand collaboration with them like 2 years ago, but still use the razor because it's good. Oh my God. I'm just gonna leave it like that, that's fine. Okay. Also, I'm not the best at shaving. I don't really get a lot of facial hair, so I feel like I'm lazy with it because you can't really see it. And then for the products that I put on my face, I'm really not trying, I don't want it to look like I'm wearing a lot of makeup. I just want to go for that kind of like natural, dewy kind of look. That's what I've been trying to achieve. So I've been watching loads of YouTube videos. And the first thing that I bought was this VDL primer. Basically, it's like a Korean brand. It kind of adds like a base layer. You can also just wear this on your skin with nothing else because it just adds like a nice kind of shine. Also, my application process is all with my hands, so enjoy. So I'll just rub that all over my face as like we're starting. So I shave and then put this on. And now I look even redder, but do you see that I have a bit of a like gloss? I think, I don't know. Sometimes I'll mix it. So the next thing I'll wear is a BB cream. BB cream is like, well, it's a tinted moisturizer. It says BB tinted moisturizer. This is from Lab Series. This is like a men's brand. I've used this for like 4 years. I'm just stuck with using it because I feel like this color suits my skin. It's also got SPF in it, so it's really good to like protect your skin from the sun. So if I'm like going outside and it's really warm like it has been recently, I don't really have to worry about putting anything on my face because I know that I've already put this on. This just kind of like evens out my skin tone, I feel, and adds like a bit of color into my face. Do you see? Do you see what I'm talking about? The next is the final kind of like skin thing, and that is this Healthy Glow Gel from Givenchy. This is like a men's Healthy Glow Gel thing. I don't know, I feel like it has little balls of fake tan in it. I don't really know what this is. It's like a gel. I don't know if I should be using this. It says healthy glow gel. I don't know if you can see from here, but they've got there's like little brown balls in it. And then watch, when I put it on my forehead, you can see, rub that in and it'll rub them all over your face and give this kind of like bronzed effect. I just heard Scott burp. And then I just feel like the skin tone is kind of evened out. The next thing that I focus on is my eyebrows. Oh wait, I forgot. Okay, no, I do put more stuff on my face. I use concealer. So I was talking to James Welsh and he recommended this Glossier stretch concealer. Again, if I have a blemish, I don't want it to be fully like caked in makeup. So this, he recommended it because it looks really light on the skin. Like, I'll use it on that little blemish there. And there's not, I mean, I think I put too much on just then. But I'll also put a bit under my eyes, like here, just to kind of brighten up my under eye section. But then, I will not leave it like that, don't worry. Although I have walked out the house before like this. By accident, obviously. Scott was like, you've not rubbed in your concealer. I'm like, oops. I'll wet a beauty blender and kind of look very strange whilst I do this. So I'll just like blend that into the line under my eye. Also, if I wear like heavy products under my eyes, my eyes tend to water because I'm not used to wearing stuff there. But I can still see, I feel like I can still see that. So I do have a heavier concealer, which is this like NARS one. By the way, most of this stuff is available on ASOS. So yeah, this concealer is a bit thicker. So if I put that on there, and then again use the beauty blender to just blend that. Any like professional makeup or skincare person is probably watching me being like, what are you doing? Then for my eyebrows, my favorite bit, I will use the Benefit Gimme Brow. This is like a mascara, but for your eyebrows. So like when I put it on, because my eyebrows are a lot darker here than they are here. So this kind of just like evens out the color of your actual brows. So as you can see, as I put it on, I brush it, but then it like coats the hairs in this color as well. But then it can go over, so make sure you wipe that away. I mean, my brows are already scary enough without adding more. It's amazing like how someone's face can change, or how you feel about your own face, just by changing little things like your eyebrows. Or, oh my god, I forgot my, I forgot something else that I put on, damn it. But yeah, so I'll coat both brows with those. I'm pretty happy with my natural hair from my eyebrows, but yeah, they just need like brushing. I've not shaped them. They've not been shaped in a very long time, so they're just crazy, but I don't mind. Yeah, so this is the thing that I forgot. I usually put this under my eyes as well, but I've already put stuff under my eyes, so I'm not gonna put anything else there. But this Glossier bubble wrap, it's basically like a lip and eye plumping thing. So I'll put a little bit of this on my finger, and then I don't feel like I have thin lips at all, but this just helps plump them out. So I just use that every day. And then to lock the brows in place, at the moment, I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I usually use this Benefit one, but it ran out and I got sent this one, so I'm just using this one. Although I don't like the applicator as much. So this will like set your eyebrows in that position all day. Do you know what? I filmed this yesterday and absolutely hated every single second of the footage. So I'm glad that I'm refilming it today, because I feel a lot better about it today. I was like, I can't upload a video about feeling confident and like feel like you're making yourself look better when I hate the video. So I was like, I need to redo this. And I feel like all these little things that I do just help me feel more confident. Like leaving the house. This is my usual routine before leaving the house, or especially going to take, because I've been having my photo taken for Instagram and my blog, and making YouTube videos for pictures like 10 years, videos like 4 years. So you really have to do little things that just make you feel more confident to be on camera. But it also helps me, not just on camera, but in real life as well. Like going out with my friends, like especially when I was single and I was going on dates, like I used to worry so much about my appearance, and just wearing like little bits of BB cream or whatever to even out my skin tone and stuff just made me feel so much more confident. And even though like other people might not even notice it, you notice it because you're wearing it on your face. Oh, by the way, I'm using a highlighter now. This is a Glossier Halo Scope. So this is like when the sun hits you, this kind of like reflects. So this is really, really fun. This is definitely like an added extra. Like this is something that you don't necessarily, it's not an essential, but I just think it's fun. Yeah, I think that's everything I put on my face. Oh, I do also use an eyelash curler. This like just makes my eyelashes go up a bit more and like brings out, it's hard to do in the camera. I can't believe I'm giving away all my beauty secrets, oh my god. So as you can see, the eyelashes like hit the top of my eyelid there. So I'll do the same on that side as well. It just opens them up, especially if you're like speaking to someone and standing here, your eyes just look bigger. Again, it's all very, very subtle things, but like I said, they just give me a lot more confidence like in my day-to-day. Yeah, see, that feels so much better. Oh, also, I use this MAC what's it called? MAC Fix Plus All Day Hydrating Spray. It's basically a setting spray, so if you do have any product on your face, it just like locks it in and keeps it there all day, I think. But this also has other stuff in it that makes you more radiant. So if you look now, my skin just looks a bit wet. But that's what I wanted. I want that like dewy, wet look. So I get this VO5 dust just in my roots, just to give it more volume. So I just put all that dust in, reveal my 5 head. Reveal yourself. Use Tresemme Freeze Hold hairspray, which I've been using since I was like 15. It's literally like super glue. I refuse to use any other hairspray on my hair. My friends at uni used to hate me because I would always make this weird face when I looked at myself in the mirror. I'd be like this. Like move my tongue around my mouth. And that is kind of it. So, yeah. I don't really know what else this video could be. It's just like, this is what I do to my face every day. It makes me feel more confident, and thank you for watching. Let me know if I was doing anything wrong. Let me know if you have any tips or if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.